Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Myself Jeev Purohit, and today we are going to learn the articles of Indian Constitution, which was very important. As you can see that I have wrote here articles of Indian Constitution and I have divided the paper into two halves. One side I have wrote the articles and second side I wrote importance. Article 1 to 4 means 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, they all will come under the union and its territories. Okay, next Article 5 to 11, citizenship, it refers to citizenship. Article 13 to 35, fundamental rights. As you all know that there were total 6 fundamental rights and 6 fundamental duties. And next Article 36 to 51, directive principles of state policy. Next Article 51A, I told you before that there were 6 fundamental duties. Okay, next Article 52 to 62, total 10 articles were there. The President of India, it refers to President of India. Article 75 and 78 means just 2. Article 75 and 78, it refers to Prime Minister of India. Article 76, Attorney General of India. Now might be you will get the doubt what is the attorney means. The Attorney General is the highest law officer of country. Okay, Attorney General is the highest law officer of the country. And our present Attorney General was Sri K. Parasaran. Okay, Sri K. Parasaran, Parasaran. Okay, next Article 167, duties of Chief Minister. Okay, Article 280, it gives importance to Finance Commission. Article 324, Election Commission. Article 343, Hindi as official language. Okay, Article 352, National Emergency. Next, Article 356, imposition of President rules in India, in states. Okay, next Article 360, financial emergency. Now you get doubt what does the financial emergency means. Like take the example of the coronavirus. Okay, Article 368, power of Parliament to attend the Constitution. Next, Article 370, special status to Kashmir. As you all know that there were many articles. Now it was more than 400, but I have mentioned the most important articles. Okay, hope you like this video. Thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to like, comment and share my channel. And for more videos, subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Thanks for watching.